Hi there, I'm from the university's sustainability team, and at the University of Reading we encourage everyone on campus to reduce the generation of waste. Firstly, by considering the items that you actually need to buy, and then to reuse items as much as possible. But inevitably things will end up having to be thrown away. At that point, we're all responsible for segregating unwanted items correctly into the correct locations in order to reduce our environmental impact. So recycling stations are located in corridors and large rooms and inside all academic and administrative buildings on campus. And these consist of different types of bins, like these for example. So different bins for recycling items and also for non-recyclable waste. Catering areas and halls of residence have got slightly different bins and different bin provision. Bins for dry mixed recycling have got green lids and green labels. So what we're asking you to do is put empty plastic bottles, drinks cans and paper and cardboard into these bins. But please, no food and no liquids. Then in some locations we've got blue lidded bins with blue labels for paper and cardboard. So these are specifically for dry paper and cardboard. No paper cups please into these ones. And then we also have everywhere our general waste bins. So these have got grey lids or black lids with black labels, and these are for non-recyclable items. So anything that can't go into the recycling bins can go into these bins. That includes food waste and paper cups and anything contaminated with food waste. Bins for paper cups have got a pink label on them, and these can be found inside buildings across the campuses, mostly in foyer areas or near cafes. They also have a facility for putting liquids in, so you can empty a cup with unwanted liquid into here and then put the cup itself uncontaminated into the holes here, and there's also space for general waste. Then across the site we also have bins for food waste that can be found in restaurants and in some other rooms across campuses, but they've deliberately not been put everywhere. Batteries and printer toner cartridges and vapes can also be collected for recycling in certain locations. And then outside we've got bins for glass. We ask you not to put glass into internal bins inside buildings, but there are glass bins outside the buildings. Outside the buildings, across the campus, we've got these recycling stations. They're a split bin, so on one side we've got general waste, on the other side dry mixed recycling. General waste side is for food, anything that's contaminated with food or liquid, and anything that can't be recycled. And then the dry mixed recycling side is paper, cardboard, cans, bottles, and those types of recycling. There's also a cigarette stubber plate on the top for disposal of cigarettes. Then, glass bottles can be recycled at bottle banks and bins for collecting glass bottles and jars. These can be found across the campus in various locations. Nothing from our internal or our external bins goes to landfill. Items are either recycled and reprocessed as raw materials for manufacturing new items, or sent to a facility that processes waste to recover energy and to generate electricity. Over 60% of the university's day-to-day waste is reused or gets sent for recycling or composting.